In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image inside of Photopea, so here's how you would do it. Okay, so once you're inside of Photopea, you first need to add your photo or image, so go to File, go Open and Place, and then select the image you want to crop and click Open. Now once you've done that, the image will be loaded into your canvas. Go ahead and click Enter or the tick, and you may need to right click and rasterize this image. That will allow you to edit it. Now, the way I cropped the image in the video intro is I actually used the rectangle select tool. So if you click on this, you can then click and hold down the left click and you can drag this rectangle to wherever it needs to go. And then you can just go ahead and click delete on the keyboard and that will delete that selected area. You can then go back to the rectangle and then highlight the next part you want to crop and then click delete. If you want to get rid of this rectangle, hold down Ctrl and D and that will deselect. But it's just a case of choosing where you want to crop and making that crop, and that's how I would do it.